I know you have big goals, but do you feel like you spend all day just putting out fire drills? Then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you some great time management tips that's going to help you reduce the stress and overwhelm and be more focused so you can complete those tasks each day while also making sure you focus on those long-term goals. So, the first time management skill that we are going to talk about is to prioritize our tasks. I want you to spend a few minutes each morning or even the night before listing out the tasks that you have. And then once you have that, prioritize them in what needs to be finished first. Not everything has the same deadline. So you don't want to get caught up in working on something that you can do a month from now. And then working on that only puts you behind on something that's due next week. So prioritize when everything needs to be done. And then from there, try to tackle the biggest tasks first. So you might have heard that term, eat the frog, kind of a weird term, but it's really just getting done the biggest item on your list first and then working down to the smaller tasks. So that's going to really help you focus and prioritize your day. So the second time management skill is time blocking. This can be super helpful. You want to dedicate blocks of your day to certain tasks. This is going to help you resist the urge to multitask. Because although there's some things where multitasking is great, there's other times where it is not. And when we're trying to jump around and do too many things at once, we end up not getting anything done. And usually it's not our best work either. So go through once you know your tasks from step one, right? Go and time block your calendar on what you're going to work on when, and try to close out as many tabs as possible so that you don't get distracted from notifications and just focus on the task at hand. Let me know in the comments if you tried time blocking before and how it's worked for you. Okay, so the third time management tip is to take breaks. What? Bet you didn't think I was going to say that one. Yes, it sounds counterintuitive, but we want to make sure that we are taking breaks throughout the day to give our brain just a chance to relax and reset. If we're constantly going nonstop throughout the day, we're going to get stressed, overwhelmed, tired, and we're not going to be able to focus. So we're actually more productive when we're able to take short breaks throughout the day. And make sure that you're getting up out of your desk, getting some movement in. That's just going to make your body feel better physically. You're going to feel better mentally, and you're going to be able to come back and hit the ground running again. And if you're looking for more ideas on how you can add different routines into your day to add and increase your energy, then you're definitely going to want to make sure you download my free guide, The Routine Roadmap. All the links are below in the description. You don't want to miss it. So we are going to prioritize our tasks. We're going to time block those tasks. And in between, we're going to make sure that we are taking our breaks. Doing these three things is really going to help you get set up for success each day, knock those tasks out of the park, and also be able to focus on tasks and projects that interest you and can move your goals ahead to hit everything that you want to do, both professionally and personally. Be sure to subscribe so you can get notified of my next video. And if this one was helpful, be sure to give it a like. I'll talk to you soon, and I'll definitely see you in the next video.